This is the third and final part of our video blog showing our wireless fire alarm installation for the world famous Circus, the Cirque du Soleil in Munich, Germany. Following on from our last video, we installed two wireless expanders in the big top tent and a translator outside the security porter cabin. The wireless detectors, sounders and manual call points were logged on to the closest expander. Today will be about installing the control equipment and testing the system to the German fire authorities. The fire alarm panel for this Hyfire wireless system was a Kentek Synchro addressable with Argos protocol. Furthermore, the system is to be interfaced to a scope paging system. The two panels were installed adjacent to each other in the security porter cabin. Once the two panels were installed, the commissioning engineer wired the external translator outside the porter cabin into the Kentek control panel. Now the system was complete. The engineer now had to configure and inspect the radio signal strength of the wireless fire alarm devices and ensure all the signals received at the fire alarm control panel was within the acceptable limits stated by the manufacturer. The signal strength is on a scale from 1 to 5, with 5 being the best signal. The acceptable signal strength is 3 and above. The laptop is now connected to the translator outside the porter cabin. Reviewing the display, it enables the commissioning engineer to know the radio signal strength of each device. If any device were to be under the level of 3, he would have to investigate and either try to relocate the device slightly, or if this was not possible, an additional expander may be required to improve the signal strength. However, as you can see from our readings, our design was in good shape. The moment of truth had arrived. The fire authorities were in attendance to inspect the site for its fire strategy and the fire alarm. As the system was now programmed for manual activation only, the fire alarm was activated by pressing the evacuation button on the front of the fire alarm control panel. The German fire authorities began testing the system and was duly satisfied with the performance of the fire alarm. I believe this is the first wireless fire alarm system of this type in Germany. I am not aware of any German wireless fire alarm manufacturer with a product that can achieve the results as seen here. Can you imagine having to wire the complete site if you had opted to carry out this installation using a wired fire alarm system? For venues incorporating a large open space, the best system to use is a wireless fire alarm system. This installation in effect took 2 days to install. On completion of the Circus show, the owners are now in a position to power down and decommission the system and use it again. I believe the next show is in Holland. Therefore, all that has to be done is to install the equipment as per the original design, and it will work again and again. If you have any venue such as this and require fire alarm detection, why not call Fire Systems Limited, the wireless fire alarm specialist, on 0208 541 5646, or visit our website on www.firesystemslimited.co.uk.